In today's video, we'll be talking about the red-bellied woodpecker, the yellow-bellied sapsucker, and the pileated woodpecker. We'll start with the red-bellied woodpecker. The red-bellied woodpecker is a prolific species and has proliferated greatly because of the spread of feeders. They're a very opportunistic woodpecker, taking out small lizards, birds, and even insects. They're a pretty large woodpecker, being 9.25 inches long, with 16 inches with wingspan and 2.2 ounces. The yellow-bellied sapsucker, on the other hand, is only 8.5 inches in length and 16 inches in wingspan and only 2 ounces. The yellow-bellied sapsucker really likes hardwood forests, and that's about it for them. They live here in northern Michigan. They only breed here, though. Now for the largest species of woodpecker in North America, the pileated woodpecker. With a staggering 16.5 inches long, 29 inches wingspan, and 10 ounces, they are definitely the largest woodpecker in Michigan, and even North America. They breed here in northern Michigan and stay here year-round. They have become pretty fragmented, and they're not endangered, but they're pretty close. But they're pretty common around our house, but we cut down the tree where they live in, so they don't really come around here anymore.